Okay, folks, for JW 2090. Oh, I do have the power switch is working a lot better now. Before, like, you just touch it and it'll go off and on. So it's definitely working a lot better than it did. Yeah. Anyway, about JW 2090. Now, what I did find out with J2090 is that on the LCD screen, it would actually drop a digit. It would drop this digit right here. That one. It would drop that one. That would not show up. I've also found out that if you turn the radio, especially with the fast button, I noticed that it doesn't have to. It can be momentary, or it can stay on. And basically, all you got to do with that, turn the radio off, hold the fast button and the power button, turn the radio back on, and that converts the fast button to either a momentary or a stationary, I guess I'll call it. So right now it's set up that you just press it once, it stays on. You turn off the power, hold the fast button and the power button again, turn the radio back on, and then your fast button here turns into a momentary switch. So what I'll do there now, I'll put this one up as part 2 for the FRG100, and the next one I'll put up, I'll show you the difference in the LCD display. So as you can see, got the digit there. Oh, I found another little trick with this FRG100. If you hold your set button while you turn the radio on, this happens. I guess a little hidden trick. Yaesu 101. I thought that was pretty cool to show you. Anyways, I'll just put this video up. In the next video, I'll jump that jumper, and you'll see the display here change. So I'll see you shortly in the next video.